Hi, Beanbeauties. Welcome in. Welcome in. This is going to be my birthday haul part 2 with a little bit of a twist. I'm going to show you what I got from some YouTube friends of mine that I'm sure you already know. And if you don't know, I will link them below, show their pictures so that you can go and subscribe to them. And here at Beanbeauti World, we celebrate the whole month of your birthday. And it could be the whole month of the month. So like my birthday was in February. So we can celebrate all of February. Or we can celebrate February the 20th to March the 20th. We get those 30 days in however we can, and we even double them up. So in my world, it's never too late. All right, if you're interested in any of that, then come on back. I'm going to kind of do an interlope right here, right now, and show you something that I bought that was actually, a lot of people maybe have FOMO for it, but I had seen it as well too. And Sarah actually reminded me of it. She purchased this while she was in Puerto Rico because they have a second home in Puerto Rico, and she used my essay. So I'm going to put up my sales associate from Chanel. It's a Chanel item, and she's just a sweetheart, and she was able to get Sarah what she needed in time for her to do her video. It was waiting for her by the time she got back, and I had also got some items from her too, because I wanted packaging. I know I wanted packaging. Y'all know how much of a packaging hoe I am. So it came in this box like practically almost overnight. Very, very well done. Sky is my essay, and she knows how much I like packaging, and she said I'm definitely going to put a little bow on there and everything. And I said, okay. I said, would you have any of the pretty boxes and stuff? She goes, actually, we have the Chinese New Year's box available. I said, really? She says, yeah, but you have to buy 3 items. I had only bought 1 or 2. I don't remember at that point. I said, all right. Another one. And so the box is a little bit bigger box, and so I said, okay. So she knows how to get me to order more stuff. So let's take the tissues out. Now I have not been in this at all because I wanted to open this with y'all. I just took the tissue off the top. I just knew it had arrived. And oh, so this is how she had it all presented. She hooked Sarah up with this beautiful headband. And then here's her card to me. Ooh, very pretty. Look, it has the Chanel backing. It has the camellia. And she says, put on your new denim and enjoy. Always a pleasure. Sky at Chanel. Isn't that great? So Chanel was having the big denim release as well too in the makeup. And since she knew it was my birthday, she said she was also going to send me a birthday item from the boutique. So I don't know which is which or where it's at. There is, because I did get some samples as well too, but here's something in here. So maybe this is it. I don't know. So the tissue is very pretty. The tissue says Chanel all over it. So we'll start with this little box here. And I don't know if I'll be able to tell, because she always hooks me up with great great samples. So let's see what she hooked me up here with. Here she has the Le Lift cream. So this, I guess, is an eye cream. Only problem with the little samples, the travel stuff, I love these, but I can't read them. They're too small. It says it smooths and it firms. Okay, let me put this back in here. And then, oh, she gave me some perfume. I have purchased some cologne from her. So this is cologne. So is this cologne, eau de cologne? You know, I know I use fragrance all the time, but I don't know what's what. So is that cologne like men's cologne, or is it cologne like, oh, this is the gardenia. I remember her saying that, yes, I would definitely want to try this. So I'm just going to go for it. That was kind of a lot. A big spray. Ooh, oh, instant, yeah, memories. Oh, wow. Love that. Let's see how that dries down and see if I like that. Sky, I might be ordering this from you. I got to wait till it dries down before. Okay, let me put this over here. And let me take this out of the box. Oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't this so gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous. So it has all the horses all around it. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is the year of the horse in the Chinese New Year. And it has all the horses. I've been trying to find some items, you know, with the horse on it, but they're either like too cutesy, you know, just, or they never make it here. I tried to order some things from Amazon. They never made it here. So I was very happy about this. So it's a sleeve, it looks like, that just goes over the box. Okay. I don't want to tear it. There we go. Okay. So here's, yeah, it's a sleeve. Let me see. Okay. Maybe y'all can see there's kind of be over my shoulder. And then the rest of it comes in this Chanel box. Very pretty. It looks like it's like stair step here. Let's see what came in here. Ah. Oh, look, and it also has the tissue that has that same motif of the horses there. Very cute on the little, I'm going to try to slip things out so that I don't have to tear that. Okay, yeah, I can slip it out. Okay, good. So I just kind of open this up here and I can preserve the wrapping there. So here's one item here. 2, 3 items. 4, 5 items. Okay. I wonder if I remember what I purchased. Okay, let me set this aside. All right. So this is the number one thing that I wanted. It is the Le Cream, the hand cream. Why am I trying Le? But it is the cool denim. Everybody has raved about this hand cream. It comes in this cool little denim pouch, and since I'm wearing, you know, I wear a lot of denim, I thought I need to have this. A bunch of creators had got this before on Nordstrom ahead of time. It sold out. I was patient because I knew Sky could get it, and it has like kind of the pink. Is that pink? Like a pink on the side. I've never tried this. Let me take my ring off. This hand cream, but I have heard so many people rave about it. Does it just come out? Yeah. Okay. I've heard that it could be a little bit hard to squeeze. See, I'm always dropping stuff. Okay. I actually was able to squeeze it okay, but using my hand soft. It's got a nice little fresh scent to it. So let's see how long that lasts. I was hoping to be able to hook this up and hang it from my bag, like on the outside, because especially this time of year, I get real dry and I'm peeling from the cruise. So let me see if I can put it on my bag. Okay, my bag of the day, of the week, since I unboxed it, is this. It's the large Rowan. But what I have also done is on here, so what I have discovered since I did this video is that the mini Rowan has a longer strap. So I'm tempted to buy the mini Rowan just for the strap. If any of y'all have a mini Rowan strap that y'all want to sell me, give me, hand over my way, let me know. I would love to have that so I could have this on here. But I got this idea from the very first person I saw do it was, I'll put her up on the screen for y'all. I always get her name wrong. Saw her do it in a short, and I said, I've got to do that. So I did this. Then I paired it with the crossbody strap from that Rowan. And then I added my magic strap to it. And y'all, if this is not giving Speedy Soft in a denim, I don't know what is. I'll insert some pictures. I was able to take some pictures. Hopefully they'll be good enough. And I just love this. I use this all weekend for the past 2 weekends, and it has just been a wonderful carry. So I wanted to add it to the back here, but I have these little magic hooks that will turn anything into a charm. So I'm hoping that I can put this on here. I went ahead and got silver because there's, so I can have a little bit of more silver on here. Yes, so here, there. I just hooked it on there. And so it has a little hook here that kind of fits on everything. And then there's this right here. And then I have this sneak peek. I will hook it on here. And that's what my intention is on the, so this is the back of the bag, because you know you can't just have the front dress, because you have the front dressed, but you know then the back, and naked, you see her butt. So that's how she is. Let me set her over there. Stay. She's smushy, so she just goes around. So that's what I wanted that for there. Then I purchased this, and I wanted to put these on. My favorite lipstick, it's a liquid lipstick from Chanel. I'll try to put up on the screen. It's Rogue Allure Liquid Velvet 244. Because in the summertime, I use more of, well, let's see. What color is this? This is Palpatine. Okay, I took my lipstick off, but I'm going to line my lips with this clear liner. I like a clear liner. This liner is actually from Dior. Sorry, Sky. I'll try to link any products down. Make sure that y'all have, make sure you have Sky's information. And I hate to do this on camera, but let's see. Colored out of the lines a little bit, but it's more of a kind of a soft pinky, right? Is that what we went with? Okay, so it's kind of a, it's in the pinky, it's a fuchsia pinky kind of color. I'll put it up on the screen, which is what I wanted. I wanted a pink for the summer, but yet it still was complimented me, so she suggested this one, and I like it because it's not red, you know, which is my go-to color, but you know, it has just the pink, because I do tend to pull out a little bit more pinks during the summer. So I like it. I love this formula. It dries down. It's a matte formula, so it's not shiny. It dries down, but it's really soft on the skin, and it lasts, because I'm a, you know, when I eat, I got a big mouth. I'm a messy eater, and it gets all over my bottom lip. It's a thing, y'all. It's a thing, y'all. Then I did get another item from the Denim. I went ahead and got, well, I thought that I got the blue. Oh, this is so cool. I did. Okay. This is fun. All right. I hope I didn't get it. I got the Denim mascara. I did put a little bit of blue eyeshadow. I'm just going to put it over the mascara I have on right now. Yes, y'all, I just touched my lids. These are really neat. Now, I've never had these colored ones from Chanel. I've had colored mascara before, but Sky really raved about the these colored ones. So I went ahead and went with this one. I like that mechanism. Very cool. Okay. I like that. Okay. I have just the ones that where you get in the mascara that you get in the pouches and stuff. I have those mascaras, and they work fairly well. All right, so we'll check that out. So it's got a little bit of the color, which is indigo, 97 indigo. All right, so then what is this little box here? Stickers. Oh, that's right. She said she was going to send me some stickers. Let's see what stickers. Chanel has stickers. Let's see what stickers they have. That's part of the packaging. Oh, very cool. Very cool. I need to do something special with that. And they are stickers. Very cool. The 5 and the Chanel. Very cool. Love that. Love that. Thank you, Sky. And then this, maybe, is this my birthday present? Does it say what it is? I don't know. Let's see. And, ooh, it's a pouch. Very cool. Oh, I guess to put a compact in, right? To save your compact. This is very cool, y'all. Look, I probably could use it as a coin purse. Nice. Very nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I like it. What does it say? Just says Chanel. It's part of the Chanel Beauty. I like that. And it comes nice and stuffed. I definitely, oh, I wonder if my earbuds would fit in there. Let's see. Because I always keep them in here. But when I take them out and about, yeah. So I can also put my little magic coin things, and I can either put this in my purse like that, or I can hook this to the outside of the bag. Very cool. Or I can make this a coin purse. I can do all kinds of things. I do have a compact somewhere, a powder compact, a Chanel powder compact. So I'm thinking that's what might fit in there. Or the mirror. I have the mirror too. I wonder if the mirror fits in there. We'll see. All right, Sky, thank you so, so much. Here's her information again. If you need anything from Chanel, if a drop's coming up, if a drop passed, she will help you look for stuff. If you need them, she is definitely the person to do that. And she hooks you up with all kinds of little goodies. So make sure that you tell her that you found her on my channel, and that'll help things out for you and for me. All right, let's see what's next. Thank you so much for celebrating and indulging me this whole month, 2 months of celebration of my birthday. Celebrate. Celebrate. And then big birthdays, we celebrate all year. So 57 years old. I am grateful to God, grateful to my family, my friends, that I am still here and I can celebrate all this with you. I still have a lot left. I still have some items from Denim, from Yoshi Lux, from Melissa, from Simply Lady M, and from Laura the Camel Chica. So don't forget to come back for episode number 3, where we will be discovering what I got from Simply Lady M, Melissa, and from Robin from Cloverleaf Bags. I can't wait to show y'all. All right, Bean Beauties, thank y'all so much. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hype. Tell me how long you celebrate your birthday. Love y'all. Bye-bye.